Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the very stylish Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line that does come complemented in the modernised metallic Dolphin Grey exterior, really contrasting well with that R-Line body kit. It does come with your 2-litre diesel engine, meaning it is the ideal spacious upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles, complete with your efficient and smooth automatic transmission. You do also have enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights. With added protection, you do also have your power folding and heated door mirrors alongside added style with your sleek black roof rails. Moving into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to house all your travel needs and day-to-day items, alongside a very luxurious part leather part cloth interior with your pull down armrest and access to your 3-zone climate control. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience with access to your digital cockpit and a central touch display screen. Just opposite, you do have enhanced and modernised edge with your R embroidered badging on your 2 front part leather seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls, including your heated steering wheel option for the winter. You can also easily navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display all your vital driving data alongside your built-in navigation system for out on the open road. You do also have your heated steering wheel display alongside further safety with your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter features. Moving across, you do also have your app connect with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink for quick access to vital car apps and of course your preferred audio. Or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained on longer trips. As stated previously, you do have your built-in navigation system which can be shown in your cluster or on your central display screen. This does come equipped with your points of interest so you can quickly get around. You do also have a further safety with your IQ Drive alongside your reversing camera and full parking sensors. It will provide much needed assistance in those tight spaces, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. Looking across, you do also have your on-screen display of all your vehicle information so you can easily keep an eye on the overall condition. You do also have your on-screen display of your air conditioning. This does work off a 3-zone climate control, meaning you can have a different temperature in the rear and either side of the front, making sure all travelling passengers are happy. For that personalised touch, you do also have your user profile selection, followed just below by your climate control touch buttons and 2 front heated seat options with 3 different temperatures, ideal in the winter. Followed just below by your handy wireless charging pad, various power outlets and plenty of storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.